Hello, Steels.
Hello.
Right now, I'm going to teach you how to make box.
It cannot hold
heavy stuff. It can just hold maybe like, if you did what I did in the last video, it could probably hold one of these. Just stuff it in there. Okay?
the box. It's called a box.
But you'll need a rectangle piece of paper. I prefer colored paper because it'll look nicer. Now, lay it out like this. Like a hot dog. Okay? Now, take the bottom and fold it up and touch the edges. So just fold in half. Now, push down on the crease, because the better your crease is, the better it'll turn out in the end. Next, you're going to take the side that cannot open, this side, and fold it up. It should look like this.
I've never done this before.
Yeah, this is his first time. I've obviously now I know how.
I made a balloon from last time, but
Okay. Now, what you want to do is take one side, it doesn't really matter which, and fold it in. But only one, not the other. And then, like only one of these. And then do the same on the other. It's okay if the lines aren't perfect, because, it should look like this. Okay.
this is weird.
Now, unfold it like this, and take the side that aren't folded, and just do the same, and make the edges kind of meet together. So all I did was took it from here and then folded it up to meet that side. Okay, do the same on the other half.
It should look like this.
It should look like this.
Or this.
And I did it wrong, so I'll see you in a minute.
No, but she can. I've never done this before, and so she.
Never mind, I did not do it wrong, sorry.
Okay, good.
But, well, kind of. So I said it was supposed to look like this. It's pretty confusing, sorry. Now take the ones okay, so take the ones that can open up into two and just fold back one. So now it should look like this. Sorry. And then once you have that,
confusing.
you should only have it on one side. Okay. Now fold that over until it looks like this.
Wait, how do we do that?
Just fold, this side over. You can pause or replay any moments if you miss them. Okay? Okay. Now, one moment.
We're done.
Okay. Now we will
We're
need
not actually done.
to, just a minute.
Probably in the next video, I'll be teaching you something. Either a cool origami thing or a lemonade.
Okay, now
Thingy. Whatever.
what you'll need to do is unfold it like this again and take one side
Wait, what?
and fold it over. If it touches the other piece, that's fine.
Wait, what do we do?
What you do until it looks like this. So I took it like this and folded this just right over like that. So now it looks like this. Okay. And once you're done with that part, you can just, really work on those creases though. They really help when it's almost finished.
Well,
Push it down.
Yeah.
Maybe with your thumb. Okay. Now, all you got to do is unfold that part. Okay. Sorry. Oh, wait. Okay, so now it should look like this again. We were just making the creases, so when we fold it together and stuff, it'll make it look a lot better. Okay? Now we do the same with the opposite side. You just take it and pull it on over. Wow.
Still not sure how you did that.
Just replay it. Okay. Now unfold it. Look like this. And now fold it up. So looks like this. Now take the bottom. Whoa. And fold it up and over. Like we have already done this, we just went over the line. Okay, so it went like this to this. Take a moment for you to do that. Next, you will need to open this up. Just barely, just do it like this. And then just go along the lines and make it look kind of like this. I'll replay that. So, from this, and then just open it up, push it back, and make the lines go so it comes to this. Okay? Just pause it or do whatever you need if you are not there yet. So just kind of make it where it'll kind of just like stay a little like this, where it'll stay without you having to like move it a ton. It doesn't look perfect, but it'll look fine at the end. Okay, once you have this, you will need to take 1 second. I got a box. Sorry, this is super slow. Okay. You'll need to take this. Okay, so it's like this. You'll need to take this crease and just move it up to the corner where the little paper place is, and then just push it down. Okay. Now you should have. Okay, so it went from this to this. Just crease it down, and then where this is, you're gonna just tuck it in. There's a flap right here. Just tuck it in there, like that. That's one edge of our box. And then you take this one and do it to the point, so you have that, just like the other. Okay. It doesn't matter if these are super sharp at the end because it's going to be tucked. Okay. Now, where you see the flap, a different flap on the other side, you just pull that up and tuck it in. And guess what? We're done. You have a box. It can hold things that are very light. Well, thank you for listening to this. I'm sorry if it was a little boring, because, but yeah, hope you're happy with your box.